All right, area of a triangle, same formula, 1/2 base times height. I'll write it. Some people, until they get familiar with this, they find it kind of funny, and I don't blame them, that this doesn't seem to extend, this orange base down here doesn't seem to extend all the way over, so should we use a different formula than 1/2 base times height? Is that really truly? Nope, it's fine. It's whatever it is that you have as a base measurement, and we have 4.4, that's what the base is, okay? Um, you can imagine that if this, let me draw a theoretical line here, okay? If that was that side length right there in orange, and we extended it by, let's say, swinging it out all the way until it reached there, then we'd end up with a bigger number than 4.4. So we'd get a bigger area, right? That 4.4 is shorter than the distance from that far end of the base all the way over to here. And so it ends up being a smaller number. I should say this ends up being a less distance than from here all the way to the end. It's only 4.4, and so that's why we use the base. Just trying to clarify that, because some people get a little confused at that. So let me get that out of there. Okay. Now, let's fill in the information we know. We've got a base of 4.4. 1/2 times 4.4 times a height of 2. And this is easy mental math because look, we can take this 1/2 and this 2, and what's 1/2 of 2? It's 1. So it's 1 times 4.4, it's 4.4. And what are the units? The units were centimeters, so centimeters squared. And that's what we get as an answer. That is A.